Hey everybody, this is a quick video in case you have a Jensen CAR710 car radio receiver and you need to do a hard reset on it. Now you might need to do this hard reset for a couple of reasons. If it won't connect to your Bluetooth, or if it's not responding, if the screen is frozen, and if you're having any kind of connection or audio issues or usability issues, a hard reset can fix a lot of this troubleshooting needs. Just keep in mind, if you do this, it's going to restore the default factory settings, so you have to set everything back up again. But if you're ready to do that, it's really simple to do. You can do it right on the front panel. All you need is like a paper clip or a pen or something like that, or even a pin. Just make sure it's not too sharp so it doesn't poke a hole. And what you're going to come to do is down by the volume down button here. You'll see there is a small button here. So this is actually the reset button. So if you just press and hold this button for a second or two, it will initiate a reset, and it will reset all of the factory settings on the radio, and then you can set it up again like a new radio.